Welcome to session 15 of the word power made easy. Now we are going to start the origin and related words of a liar. So we already discussed about the 10 types of liars. Now we will see how that word came into the existence. So we are actually focusing on little bit of etymology. So let us keep the word. If something or somebody is widely unfavorable, is known as notorious. We already discussed. So notorious is used in a negative sense. For example, notorious gambler, notorious thief, notorious killer. But if we want to use in a positive way, then we use the Latin word notos. Notos means known. So notos, N-O-T-O-U-S. Notos, the new word came, it is called noted. Noted means something is famous in a positive way. So noted industrialist, noted teacher. Similarly, childlike and childish, the meaning is same, but childlike is used in a positive way to define somebody as innocent behavior, but the childish is actually express somebody in a negative way to define somebody as an innocent behavior. Next, plenty of room at the top. So we are talking about the top. So summit means top of the mountain. So let's say this is the mountain. So this peak is known as summit. So it is the highest peak. So Latin word summit means highest. Summit also means, so let's say summit. So the first three words sum. Sum means total, in addition. So we use the word consummate. So consummate is coming from two words, con plus summit. Summit means top or highest point, and con means together. So very highest point of perfection. Consummate means very highest point of perfection. So consummate a marriage, the bring the highest point is consummate. Next, when we add NOUS and NES, we make an adjective. For example, if it is sweet, so sweet is a noun, and we are adding sweet plus ness, so it becomes sweetness. So it is then an adjective. In a similar way, envious, so enviousness, it is an adjective. What we are adding? We are adding NESS. So consummate is a noun, and consummation is an adjective. Then we add ATE to make a verb. For example, create. So AT, creation, means a verb form. Evaluate, evaluation. Next, no help. Call people incorrigible. When you say incorrigible, so INCORRGIBLE, if they do not do anything to improve, so you can say incorrigible. Incorrigible idealist, incorrigible criminal, incorrigible optimist, incorrigible philanderer, means these are actually the people who are not going to change. Carigo, defined as a Latin word carigo, means correct or set right. So incorrigo, in means negative and corrigo means right. So somebody, something which is not put the right or set to the right, it is incorrigo. Invaluable. So in means something negative, and valuable we know something which is very important. So invaluable is not important. The noun corrigibly. Now next word is veteran. Veteran is coming from the word, Latin word vetus. Vetus means old. So we generally indicate disapproval. Inveterate. In means something negative and veterate means old. Has grown old in habit. Inveterate liar, lying for so long and their habits are deep rooted. Veteran, Normally veteran word is normally used in armed forces. If some senior person is there, some very experienced person will be there, then you can say veteran. Veteran means grow older serving the country. Veteran has an old hand at a game. So veteran in swimming, veteran in tennis, veteran in police work, veteran in business, veteran actor, veteran teacher, veteran diplomat, veteran political reformers. But these people are working in their own field for last several years, so their habits are so strong that doing that work, it is their second habit. Birth. The birth is actually coming from the word Genesis. So whenever there is a some book is going to start, and in the beginning the author write Genesis. Genesis means the birth or a background. So genetics is a science that treats the transmission of hereditary characters from parents to child. In a similar way, gene, Gene, means a particle in chromosome of the germ cell containing the hereditary characteristics. Genealogy, Genealogy, gene plus alogy, genealogy, gene, and logos means study. So genealogy is the study of family tree. Genital, Genital, it's a sexual organ are involved in the process of conception of the birth. Genesis of anything means a plan, idea, thought, career, background. Genesis, beginning, birth, origin. Congenital, something which is from the birth. Co means with, and genital means birth, means from the birth or with the birds. If something is there, you can say a congenital defects. Hereditary, 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 acquired at the moment of conception. For example, what are the things that you are acquiring from the moment of conception? Your eye color, your nose shape, your hair textures. So all these things are hereditary. Hereditary means something related to mother and father gene. Thalidomide, thalidomide baby means thalidomide baby is resulted from the uses of drug by a pregnant woman. Thalidomide. Congenial used to express two types of meaning, literally as well as figuratively. Literal meaning of congenial refers to some medical deformity, abnormality during the gestations. So this is first. And second way, figurative means widely exaggerate to for effect very existence of the same quality. Congenital liar or congenial fear means something which is there from the beginning. Now, notos. So which word we can make? Notorious. Summit, consummate. Incorrigible. Vetus, inveterate. Senex, senile. Genesis, genealogy. Logos means science, so pathology. In, something which is negative, so in, and then corrigible. Can you work with the words? Notoriety. Notoriety means ill fame. So notoriety means ill fame. Consummate. Consummate. Bring to a completion or a top. So 2. Cons- consumacy, consumacy, state of artistic height. So 3. Incorrigibly, incorrigibly, state of being beyond reform or corruption. Inveteracy, inveteracy, inveteracy means state of being long established habit. Genetics, genetics, signs of hereditary. Genital, genital, referring to reproduction. So this is called genital. Genesis, genesis, beginning or origin. So genesis is 9. Hereditary, hereditary means referring to the character is passed on to offsprings by parents. And gene, gene means study of ancestry. So 11. Do you understand the word? Say yes or no. Does notoriety usually come to perpetrators of mass murderers? Yes. Is the product consummately skillful? Counterfeit likely to be taken as genuine? Consummate means very high and at the top. Incorrigibly is a criminal, a sign that rehabilitation process is possible. Incorrigible means somebody is not going to be corrected. So no. Is a geneticist interested in your parents' characteristics? Yes. Does inveteracy suggest that a habit is new? No. Inveterated means something old habit. When you consummate a deal, do you back out of it? No. Is a veteran actress long experience at her art? Yes. Do genes determine heredity? Yes. Is a genealogist interested in your family origin? Yes. Are the genital organs used in reproduction? Yes. Are hereditary characteristics derived from the parents? Yes. Can you recall the word sexual or reproductive? Genital. To complete, consummate. Wide unfavorable reputation, notorious. Particle in chromosome to a cell, gene. Completion means consummate. Inability to reform, incorrigible. The science that deals with the transmission of characteristics from parents to children, genealogy. Referring to a quality or characteristics that is inherited. So hereditary. Beginning or origin, genesis. Student of a family, roots or origin, genealogy. Height of skill and artistry, consummate. Transmitted by hereditary, gene. Quality of a habit that has been established over many years, inveterate. A person long experience at a profession, person long experience at a profession is known as veteran. Pertaining to a study of family origins, genealogy. So here we are ending the session 15. Again I am telling you, I am putting this PDF file in the description box. You look the video and fill up the file. Practice it till you become master. Thank you very much.